Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Tumen Maths. In today's video, we're going to be diving deeper into implicit differentiation, looking at it with using the chain rule. So first up, we have x plus y squared equals 2x. So first we're going to differentiate with respect to x, and then remember we have to use a chain rule because as you can see, there's a function instead of a function. Although technically, whenever you do dy over dx, even in our basic implicit differentiation video, you're technically using the chain rule for all those terms. But we're going to be looking at a bit more tougher problems. So as you can see, we have a function instead of a function, aka the chain rule. So we basically first use the power rule for the outside function. Remember M&M's, which is what we covered in our chain rule video. So 2x times x plus y, and then find the derivative of the inside function, which is x plus y, which would be times 1 plus dy over dx, because the derivative of y is dy over dx, equals 2, because the derivative with respect to x of 2x is just 2. And then now we have to isolate dy over dx. So first what we're going to do is we're going to divide both sides by 2 times x plus y, cancel out those 2's, and then move the 1 to the right-hand side. We get dy over dx equals 1 over x plus y minus 1. Next up, we have the square root of y squared plus 2 equals 5x. So we can take the derivative with respect to x here, but let's make this equation a bit more easier for us to understand. We can rewrite the square root as to the power of 1/2, and then we can take the derivative with respect to x of this instead, since it's much more easier. As you can see, we have a bit of a chain rule situation going on here. So first what we're going to do is we're going to bring the 1/2 down, and then use the power rule to do so. So 1/2 times y squared plus 2, and then 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2 due to the power rule. And then find the derivative of the inside function, which is y squared plus 2, and the derivative of that is 2y times dy over dx, because remember you got to tax those y's, and then the derivative of 2 is just 0, so I just didn't put the 0. And now we have to isolate for dy over dx. So we can cancel out the 1/2 and the 2 because those just 1/2 times 2 is 1, so we can just cancel those out. And then we can divide both sides by y squared plus 2 to the power of negative 1/2 times y, and we get dy over dx equals 5 over y squared plus 2 to the power of negative 1/2 times y. I hope this video helped. Comment down below any other math topics you want me to review. Thank you.